Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to replace window screen from a notebook HP G60-513NR notebook. It's a Windows 7 Home Premium, 64 bits, simplify everyday task. Um, as you see, I have the new one. The old one's already here. I'm going to show you how to take it apart and put it in less than 10 minutes. Okay? This is how we do it. First, I took out the battery first. Then I took out the top from the memory. And next to it there's some screws you got to take out. You got to take out the screws in the bottom from each side and from the bottom each side. Once you do that, this will pop up, and you move this forward. You have some black little sticker in the corner that's right here. So what I did was I took it out, and I already did everything already. So this is out as you see. This is the old display that was damaged. You got 5 screws. Let me correct, 4 screws on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you got 4 more on this side. What I did was I went online and I talked to screencountry.com. I took a picture of the barcodes in the bottom in here, and it has to be 30 pins. Each display from other countries are different, so different mark, different brands. So what I did was I took a photocopy, I went online, I sent it to them, also the serial number of the laptop and the name of the company of the laptop. So as you see, this one fell on this side of a corner and it was damaged. So I'm ready to install the new one. The first thing I'm going to do is take it out the pack. This one comes with the screen here, it's a plastic screen. Please don't remove it or don't touch it. At least you have everything installed. So this is the way it's supposed to go in. I'm going to put it in here. I'm going to loosen it up from here. I have one of these and another one, a flat and a fill up. So, and I also have a ground just in case. So what I do is I just hook it up to here to the ground, and that's it. Now gently I push this out, so I'll be ready. Now this has to be firm installed here. So what I do is firmly I just bring it in. Okay, I'm back. As you see, I already installed the screen, the LED. It has one screw there, another there, another there, another there. That's 4. The one on top is 5. And make sure that here is installed correctly. And after that, everything's set, everything's put back together. Make sure the keyboard's properly fit. The only problem there is that when it fell, the main screws in the back, they were cracked, as you see. So the next process is to install the glass window and install this part. But first we must remove the plastic. It has the plastic to protect it. Make sure you do it properly. So we just have a little tape there, but doesn't bother. So I'll do the same here. Just gently cut it, replace it. As you see, it's brand new. I'm going to install this part. Goes in real nice. This has a small click sound to it. And after we do this, we just click it. Make sure everything's inside. Start from the top. As you can see, you can hear it fall in place because you can hear the when it clicks. When you hear that click sound, you know everything's already put inside. Make sure everything's fit perfectly. As you see, everything's there. There is your brand new window. And a few, we're gonna turn it on to see how it is. If you give me a couple of minutes, I have to install the back parts, the screws back to it, and I'll be back with you in a few minutes. Hello guys, I'm back again. I finished installing the LED screen to the HP notebook thanks to screencountry.com. We're gonna turn it on right now. See what we have here. Everything looks good. It's booting up. Once you have everything installed, make sure everything's in place, no loose screws. Make sure that everything is in its proper place. We have the starting windows, perfect. Now we have it's booting up. Let's see what we have. Yes, we do. Got the welcome sign. Perfect. Everything works perfect. Thanks to screencountry.com. You can find them. I'll post their website on my video when I post it on YouTube. And thanks for watching, guys.